Now, I wanted to do a video about this for a long time. So how can you rank your YouTube channel? A beginner's guide, and I'm going to deliver my top 3 tools on how you do this. So stay tuned, because this is going to be super awesome. It's going to cut so much time and effort out of when you're looking to try and get together ideas on what to post and how to post them. So let's start with the 3 tools to begin with. It's VidIQ, Tubebuddy, and my secret sauce, Morningfame. See, what I've found is when I'm trying to rank the videos onto YouTube, and specifically how to get my channel actually ranked on YouTube, if you use one tool, you could be missing out on essential parts that another tool will fill the gap, right? So it's got to be a combination really of all 3. And I also wanted to give you an example as well. So not only have I used these to produce this video, but I'm using these as I'm producing more videos ongoing. So it's super cool. So let me show you how it actually works in this example. So I'm going to start off with something that I'm passionate about, because if you're not passionate about something, it's less likely to come across in the video that you're actually bothered yourself. So why should someone be bothered watching with you? And if you're an affiliate, then you're going to be looking for passive income as well, which is what this channel is all about. So I'm going to look for software or services. So I'm going to be looking at a software or service that offers a monthly commission for every month that a customer stays a customer, right? So if someone is paying for a service, I know I'm going to get a commission as long as I've made that sale in the first place. And I also know that if you are doing a versus video, then there's a good chance someone's already in the buying mode and they're trying to choose between 2 services. So let's take a look and have a look how we actually put this together. Another key point to note is that you want to make sure that people are actually searching for what you're trying to rank for. So if you go onto Google, right, Google is the largest search engine on the planet, quickly followed by YouTube, right? So what we do is we start off with our keyword, we hit versus and then a space, and that will actually show you all the top searches for those terms, right? So in this example, I'm going to use Clickfunnels. I'm going to pop Clickfunnels in the top here, and YouTube is going to share with me all the top searches that they have in their database. And now I've got a whole list of different ideas that I can go for. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on one in particular, because I've used both of these platforms myself in the past, and it's Clickfunnels versus Lead Pages. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to VidIQ. I'm going to go to the Keywords tab. I'm going to throw that in there, and it's going to tell me what my overall score is. And as you can see, it's saying 71, which is high. Ideally, what you want is a medium to high search volume and a low to very low competition. So as you can see here, we've got the medium search volume, a very low competition, which is a great start, because that's showing that VidIQ is saying that it's a medium amount of traffic that people are searching for, but also as well the competition is low. So my chance of actually getting ranked and traffic for this keyword is pretty decent. But it doesn't stop there, but now I want to cross-reference this with Tubebuddy to see how relative it is to my own channel, right? Because if you've got a massive channel, you've got more weight behind you, and there's a good chance that you're going to get ranked for those higher search keywords. So in my case, as the channel is right now, it's relatively small, so I need to have a look and see what Tubebuddy is saying when it weights it in. And overall, Tubebuddy is saying that it's good, but if I click here, it's going to give me the score for weighted, which means obviously relative to my channel. So let's just click here and have a look. Now this is giving me even more of a confirmation, saying it's actually very good for my channel. It says there's a ton of results, but there's a heck of a lot of searches every single month. So that's going to give me a better idea as to whether or not my video will rank as long as I put all the video together right. So that's a good sign. And finally, we're going to get over to Morningfame, where I'm going to see how I can get all my tags done for me. I can actually then go back and use VidIQ for the description as well, which is half of the battle, because if you've got the tags right, the description right, the video right, there's keywords for the video right, then obviously you've got a much higher chance of ranking for that term. In fact, this video I put through the same process as well. So what I've done is I've gone through, but I've also thrown in a headline generator to see if people are likely to click on it. And if you've got this far with the video, then you will have been enticed either by the thumbnail, the title, the start of the video, or if you've got this far, you want to know what the secret is. So let me go through that now. The secret is headline studio, right? So I started out with what I wanted this video to actually rank for, and then played with the actual the headline itself until I got a much better score. So anything green is good. So I started out with how to rank YouTube channel for beginners. That then progressed to how to rank YouTube channel for beginners, 3 top tools, and eventually the actual title of this video, how to rank YouTube channel for beginners guide, 3 top tools. So I've already put this through, so I know that this is a search term that people want to learn about, and also as well, it's not only going to rank for my channel, but also is a lot of people looking for it. So the competition's low, the volume's medium, everything works out. Even before I started recording the video, I've already gone through these checks to give the video the best opportunity to get ranked. And as I mentioned before, yes, I'm an affiliate marketer, so all the links are going to be in the description here, so you can go ahead and get free trials of VidIQ, Tubebuddy, and also as well, you're going to be able to get access to Morningfame. Now, Morningfame is invite only, so if you can't get in, you have to use the link in the description. And if you're thinking about what to promote or how to actually make passive income online, then I created this video, which is actually going to show you some ideas that you can get started with today.